the writing process. What does that entail?
Okay, so on the test, there's going to be a separate section, and what they'll do is they'll ask a question such as the one that's here, where it says, write a paragraph explaining whether you would prefer to walk or be driven to school.
I see. Okay, and so then this just says ideas for my paragraph, so this isn't the paragraph yet.
No. So you always want to, when you're doing process writing, when you're doing any kind of writing, you want to take that opportunity to shake out ideas from your head, to write down all the ideas that you can think about, so that it's not in your head anymore, it's on the paper, and you can start organizing your thoughts, so that when you do your writing, that it's going to be in an order that's going to make sense for the audience that's going to be reading it.
Okay, so then some things I could think about. Walking is fun. Walking, I feel great. I can see the outdoors. Those are some things that I could just put down by example.
Exactly. Good for exercising, etc.
Okay, so then now, what next?
So we can use the traffic light. That's a strategy that you can use, the traffic light writing. So if we think of the green light is the topic sentence, the yellow light means supporting details, and the red light means a closing sentence. So the topic sentence is answering the question, or having an introduction to your writing. And then the yellow light, the supporting details, is you write all the information, the facts, the reasons why, etc. And then the red light is the closing sentence, where you kind of add in your opinion, bring it all together at the end, and close it off, so that the reader understands how you've answered the question, what your opinion is.
Awesome. Okay, so then now can we see maybe an example of the traffic light model?
Sure, I've got one right here.
Awesome. Okay.
So it's the same question, and I have a student who's written out an answer for it.
Right.
Yeah.
They said, I would prefer to walk to school. If you walk to school, you can see more of nature, like birds, plants, and animals. If you walk to school, you won't pollute the air because cars release gas into the air. If you walk to school, then everyone will do it too, and we can save the planet. That's why I prefer to walk to school. I do like walking to school, but that wasn't me, Tiva, because that was a very bright student.
Yes.
And I can see they had the topic sentence, they supported it, why they think they would walk to school, and then the closing was the, that's why I prefer to walk to school.
Yeah, because they want to save the planet. So they've got like 2 or 3 ideas about the reasons why they prefer to walk to school, and then they ended it off with that concluding sentence that it's gonna, if I start doing it, other people will do it too, and that helps the planet. So that's why they prefer to walk to school.
There you have it. So then, TVO kids, that's a writing process for you guys when you guys have writing questions to answer on the EQAO stage.